Welcome back to another video, where today we're diving into a common problem that many of us encounter when working with formulas in spreadsheets. The problem arises when we have a complex formula that concatenates text strings and numbers, but we realize that we need to format some of the numbers by adding comma separators. How do we solve this problem using a formula that can work with arrays? Let's find out. The solution to our problem lies in a simple yet powerful formula equals text A2 hashed strat. This formula allows us to format the numbers in cell A2 by adding comma separators, making them much easier to read and work with. So, if you have a formula that involves multiple cells or values, you can simply nest this formula within it to ensure that the numbers are formatted correctly. It's a neat trick that can save you a lot of time and hassle when dealing with complex formulas. Building on the previous solution, we can take it a step further by incorporating the text join function. By using the formula equals text join true A2 A3 stack, we can format multiple numbers at once, separating them with commas and ensuring that they are easy to read and understand. This can be incredibly useful when working with arrays of data and can help streamline your workflow significantly. Plus, it's a great way to impress your colleagues with your spreadsheet skills. In summary, by utilizing the text function and incorporating it into more complex formulas using text join, you can easily format numbers in your spreadsheets by adding comma separators. This simple yet effective technique can make your data easier to read and work with, saving you time and frustration in the long run. So next time you're faced with a similar formatting problem, remember this handy trick and simplify your workflow. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite spreadsheet shortcut. Happy calculating!